सो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं कि पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस को कैसे बनाते हैं, इसका यूजेस क्या है, सिंपल सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं, नेगेटिव को कैसे बनाते हैं और सवाल कैसे पूछते हैं। इन सारे चीज़ों को हम सीखेंगे। आप वीडियो को पूरा देखें और अगर अगर हमारे चैनल को आप नए हैं, हमारे चैनल को अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए। तो चलिए हम टॉपिक पर चलते हैं। सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर प्लस बी फोर प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स वॉज वर। वॉज किसके साथ होगा और वर किसके साथ होगा, यह जानना बहुत ही जरूरी है। आई के साथ हमेशा वॉज यूज होगा, ही के साथ हमेशा वॉज होगा और शी के साथ हमेशा वॉज होगा। और नेम जैसे किसी चीज का नाम हो या किसी बंदे का नाम हो तो उसके साथ हमेशा क्या होगा, वॉज होगा। बाकी यू वी दे इन तीनों के साथ हमेशा क्या आएगा, हमारा और आएगा। या सब्जेक्ट कोई ऐसा प्लूरल हो जैसे फ्रेंड्स है तो फिर उसके साथ भी और आएगा। तो आइए हम सेंटेंस बनाते हैं और बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। जैसे आई वॉज टेकिंग बाथ, आई वॉज combing my hair, I was drinking water, I was writing, I was reading a novel, I was reciting the Holy Quran, I was reading the Bhagavad Gita, I was writing a script for my video, I was going to Delhi, I was taking water from a pond, and I was taking bath in a pond. I was buying a pen, I was buying a books, I was buying a banana from market. He was selling potato, she was cutting tomato, she was cooking food, she was making bed, she was working in her house. She was washing utensil on the well. She was taking bath in the pond. She was going with her husband for marketing. She was making food for her friends. You are working in the field. You are taking water from pond. You are cutting a duck. You are helping poor people. You are helping your parents. तो आप इस तरह सब सेंटेंस बनाओ, बहुत ज़्यादा बनाओ। जितना सेंटेंस बनाओगे उतना आपके लिए बेहतर है और इसी तरीके से आपके अंदर फ्लुएंसी आएगी। और उसके बाद अगर नेगेटिव बनाना हो तो सेंटेंस सेम है मगर ऑज या और के बाद आपको नॉट लगाना है फौरन, कोई मतलब दूसरे जगह पे नहीं। और उसके बाद फौरन या वर के बाद फौरन आप कह सकते हो। जहां आप कह रहे थे कि आई वॉज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, आपको आप कहना है आई वॉज नॉट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर। आई वॉज राइटिंग, आई वॉज नॉट राइटिंग। आई वॉज रीडिंग, आई वॉज नॉट रीडिंग। आई वॉज ड्रिंकिंग मिल्क, I was not drinking milk. I was going to Delhi. I was not going to Delhi. I was teaching my students. I was not teaching my students. I was cleaning my room. I was not cleaning my room. I was sleeping. I was not sleeping. I was talking. I was not talking. I was helping. I was not helping. I was working for this company. I was not working for this company. My father was working his company. My father was not working his company. My mother was cutting vegetable. My mother was not cutting vegetable. आप इस तरह बनाओ। और उसके बाद जो हमारा आता है मतलब इंट्रोगेटिव, आप सवाल कैसे करोगे। क्या क्या तू भाई खाना खा रहा था? Were you taking food? Were you going to market? Were you working in the field? Were you spending time with your friend? Were you going to school? Were you reciting the Holy Quran? Were you reciting the Holy Quran? Were you working in the field? Were you working in the company? Were you working in a government sector? Were you doing job in a government office? तो आप इस तरह कहो। Was he? Was he working in the field? Was he making food? Was he pressing his clothes? Was he going to Delhi? Was he selling potatoes? Was he selling fruits? इस तरह आप बनाओ। और इसी तरह आप कह सकते हो were we playing football? Were we going to his home? Were we spending time together? Were we drinking milk? Were we drinking water? Were we drinking juice? आप इस तरह बनाओ। तो कहने का ये है कि सिर्फ ग्रामर रूल को जानना और ग्रामर रूल को सीखना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आप कितना प्रैक्टिस करते हो, क्योंकि योर प्रैक्टिस विल मेक यू परफेक्ट। And when you will do lots of practice, when you will do same work again and again and with repetition, so this day is not so far, means you will able to speak with front of the people with confidence. And many more also tell me that I can't speak. How can I become a fluent speaker? There is no any shortcut or magic way. There is only one way. By your practice, you can become a fluent speaker. English is a skill, it is not a magic. So, by your effort, by your curiosity, you can learn this language. But just only one condition, you have to give your enough time, you have to give your best. When you will give your best, that time you will be able to speak English language. Anybody can't stop you. So today we learn in this video, I was working in this company, I was not working this company, and was I working this company? You are working in this company, you are not working in this company, were you working in this company? You are making, you are building this house, you are working in this house, you are not working in this house, and were you working in this house? तो आप इस तरह बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस करो और फ्लुएंट बनो। तो मैं अब फिर से आपसे कहता हूँ कि अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। और हमें उम्मीद है कि ये वीडियो आपको ग्रामर सिखलाने के लिए बहुत ही उम्दा है, क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ ग्रामर सिखाने पर मतलब फोर्स नहीं की है, हमने रियल सिचुएशन देने की कोशिश की है।